morning, friends. I started my day very well today. In fact, I freshened up, I did the puja, I made tea, I boiled milk, and I was wondering what to do. I had my breakfast, of course, and then I said, let me get out for some time. I just, get my household stuff. I need to get my garbage bags and all that. So I'm on my way to the market in Santa Cruz in the auto. I will let you know what exactly I buy now. I have come to this place in Santa Cruz. This is called Samrat Vada Pav. This is very close to Santa Cruz station in the west. When you come out of the station, yeah, it's I think on the right hand side, walking towards Asha Parik Hospital. It's on the right hand side. I knew these guys for more than 20 years. Now there's they have a chai wala there. So, and this is Santa Cruz station. All the shops outside Santa Cruz station, they open up only after 11:30. Now I've come here to buy my garbage bags. 19 by 21 medium. He gives it to me at a very cheap rate. I've been buying my stuff from him for many years. So $100 for 3 packets of these garbage bags. 30 bags come in one packet. Now I'm making a little chapatis, a few pulka rotis and a few ghee chapatis. Okay, so my pulka rotis, I love my pulka rotis because they actually puff up directly from the frying pan to the fire. Only thing is you need that pucker. Don't forget. Don't ever try stunts with your hands. Okay, and you need to knead the flour very well. Okay, you've got to do that. Put a little oil while kneading the flour or ghee, whatever you require. Now I'm going to make those small balls, for the chapatis. Yeah, you divide this into around 8 or 10 portions, I would say. Yeah, 8 or 10 bowls are, I think, more than enough. Now I'm starting my chapatis. You need to do this at ease. Do not press do not put your force while making the chapatis. Can you see that? I did that on purpose. So my one chapati got totally, what can I say, destroyed. Okay, now you've got to do this at ease, actual ease. Okay, my chapatis do not turn totally round. I don't know the reason why. But they will puff up very well. Watch this. Okay, this is my pulka roti that's going to go directly from the frying pan to the fire with the puckered. See, look at the way it puffs. I love it. I just love. Okay. And yeah, I'm making a few pulka rotis. And after this, I'm going to make 3 or 4 ghee chapatis with ghee, so I can have that with my chai, with my tea is something that I cannot live without. I always keep saying that I cannot live without. Now this is my ghee chapati. I always melt the ghee, okay, while making my chapatis. See this, I always melt my ghee, so it's easier to just spread it over the chapati. And yeah, this also puffs up very well. It really puffs up very well. Showed you the Santa Cruz market this morning, and all the stuff that you get there. Of course, I think that market opens up very late. I was quite shocked, in fact, myself. Yes, and I would love if all of you subscribe to my channel. And now that I've started making a daily vlog, so please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I will be more than happy, more than happy. Please, 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 please do that. I love you all. I love you all. God bless you.